How to verify your Discord account. If any day any of you are a Discord user and you would like to verify your Discord account but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the very Discord account on your very mobile device, that is your Discord application. After you find out your very Discord application, you have to tap on it. After you tap on it, now the very Discord application will be launched on your very mobile device. After Discord application is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to the person of you here, that is your profile icon, and then go to the option of settings on the top. After tapping on the option of the settings on the top, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of account. After tapping on the account, now you can see the interface of email here. You have to tap on email like this, and here you can see the option of send the verification code. Now you have to tap on the option of send the verification code, and after you tap on that, a verification code will be sent to your email, and then after you find the verification code, you have to keep it on your very Discord, and this way your Discord account will be verified. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.